Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Another little episode in a series of physics. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all safe. I hope your families are safe and well, and I hope that there aren't other things causing you stress. I've got some relatives who are in a dangerous place. I've got some relatives in New York State, and I've also got some relatives whose family business is struggling. So that's pretty rough. And so you might have some relatives in the same place. If you have, I understand that can be quite a distraction. However, we do need to keep rolling, so we'll think about these folk. Some homework that's coming up in the next little while. In fact, it's due today. If you look in here, we've got the spring behavior, all of mechanics, and that's this summary here. And this was optional. I didn't get too upset about this one, but it would be really good for you to have finished the mechanics booklet from the 2018 exam. In addition to that, I'm looking ahead at some foundation ideas and waves, which I'd like to do next. So the homework for waves, I haven't assigned it yet on purpose because I want that to be done when we have made some progress through the education perfect stuff. Otherwise, there's too much happening for you. So that's coming up. I might give you that tomorrow, but it'll be late in April. There's a bit missing off here, but it'll be late in April. Moving ahead, I'd like to revisit the proof of the equation I did. For anything moving, speed is equal to distance divided by time. For a wave, this lambda, this unusual shape here, is pronounced lambda. It's a Greek letter, and we use that as a symbol for the length of the wave. The one wavelength divided by one wave period, so distance divided by time. We can write that as the wavelength times 1 over the period, but 1 over the period we found out yesterday was also called the frequency. So we can write the speed is equal to wavelength times frequency. We normally write them back to front. Wave speed is equal to the frequency times wavelength. V equals F lambda, and that's going to be used a whole lot. If I then flick back to our little plan of attack, I'd now like to flick out of my PowerPoint and show you where you might be able to find that. If we then come to, this is how I'm doing my recording for you. If we go to Google, NCEA Subject Resources for Physics, and I click on the first one, it takes me to here. Then I clicked on this one here, and I'll do this now. Level 2 standards. We click on the level 2 national standards. We come down to exams and exemplars. Level 2 search. And we can then come down. Further down, there's the mechanics one. Mechanics paper 2018. That's a PDF. However, if we come back up to the waves, we can also look at the resource booklet for last year, and I'd like to open that one up. And this is last year's wave booklet. They will not change this unless they tell us, even if they just move things around in here. So for all of mechanics, these are the formulae here that we've been looking at. I come back down a little bit, come up in here to waves. None of this stuff here is, none of the stuff here is going to be useful to us just yet. We will be looking at that. In fact, we won't use these two at all. We use these ones. We haven't done these things yet, but this one here, I have proven for you yesterday. That one there I mentioned today, we've also mentioned yesterday. This one here, I'm pretty sure you got that from year 10. And we'll be moving on soon to the speed of light in a vacuum. You might have come across that in the education perfect stuff. So if we come back to our PowerPoint here, I'll be sniffing out a YouTube clip today for you, so you can have a look at some stuff about electromagnetic waves, including light. That's coming up probably later on today. If you need me to do some face-to-face time stuff, let me know and I'll give you a hand, and that's including with Education Perfect as well. However, most of the time that we're doing that by email and these little YouTube clips, sort of like not in real time stuff. Now this, I've already done this. Now, a couple of numbers you need to know. There's a little bit missing off there. G, 9.81. C, the speed of light, 3 times 10 to the 8. Those things are all on the formula sheet that you will get in your exam, and you can also find those online. I think that's everything I wanted to get done. This one's getting a bit long. Thanks, folks. I hope you're safe. I hope you're well. Let me know if I can help. Otherwise, I'll stay out of your way and let you get on with it, because you're doing a really good job.